Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the world of 3D modeling and animation: Cinema 4D versus Blender. With 2025 bringing new updates and features, it's the perfect time to compare these two powerhouses. Whether you're a beginner hobbyist or a professional artist, this video will help you decide which software suits your needs best. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about Cinema 4D. Developed by Maxon, this software is a favorite in the industry for its polished interface and ease of use. It's incredibly intuitive, making it great for motion graphics, VFX, and even architectural visualization. In 2025, Cinema 4D has integrated more AI tools for faster rendering and automation, which saves tons of time. However, it's not without drawbacks. It's a paid subscription model, starting at around $60 a month, and it might feel limiting if you're on a tight budget or need highly customizable workflows. On the other side, we have Blender, the open-source champion that's completely free. Blender has exploded in popularity thanks to its robust features for modeling, sculpting, rigging, and animation. By 2025, it's received massive community-driven updates, including enhanced VR support and better real-time rendering capabilities. What I love about Blender is its flexibility. It's like a Swiss Army knife for creators. But it has a steeper learning curve, especially for newcomers, and relies heavily on community forums for support rather than official tutorials. So, which one is better? It really depends on your situation. If you're a professional in a fast-paced environment and value a smooth workflow, Cinema 4D might edge out. For indie artists, students, or those experimenting on a budget, Blender is unbeatable. Both have strong communities and frequent updates in 2025, with Blender benefiting from crowdsourced innovations and Cinema 4D from corporate backing. My advice? Try both with their free trials or versions and see what clicks for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Which do you prefer? See you next time.